friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 20 cute and beautiful border designs. See, this is super easy also, so I'm going to show you one by one. All the video I've already shared. I'll share the link in the description and also in the I section. Check out my border playlist for more interesting videos. So let's start. See, this one is super easy floral design with the just sketch pen. I have made this and marker I have used here. No pencil sketching, nothing. So I just love this design. This one is in circle and beautiful pattern this is. You can write your details here. See how lovely this looks and colorful too. This is again a simple and easy technique to make floral pattern for your project. So this is super easy pattern. This is again a circle, multiple circles I have made here, and very easy technique to make such roses, and you can fill your book cover or anything very easily and fast. Last minute decoration idea. This is again a floral design. This is super easy to make and I know anyone can recreate it. This is a tag border. See, this tag is here and I have given it antique finish with some bow and flower. So try to make this beautiful and unique pattern. I just love to play with watercolors. This is with the watercolors. You do not need to be very precise in painting. This is really very super easy. Anyone can make this. So try it out, this one. This is again with the watercolor. Multiple colors I have used here. Because of this, it looks so beautiful. Try this. You do not need to be precise in this also. This is also super easy border design, and with a sketch pen I have made this. I have already shared the tutorial. See, you can recreate it very easily. This is again with a ladybird, and see this beautiful flowers with the sketch pen I have created this, and this is last minute decoration idea for your book, for your project cover. So try it on. This one is also my favorite with so many flowers around. I have used here only sketch pen colors and I have given you a shading with stamp and pencil. So this is a unique border design. This one is my favorite, and do comment me, is it your favorite too? This is super easy to make, very light work and last minute decoration idea also. So if you have forgotten to complete your project, this design is definitely for you. See how lovely this looks. This one again is with so many flowers and ribbon. I have made here black ribbon with a white dot. So all the border designs are really very easy. You can recreate it easily. This one is a circle border design. I have come with a new trend of circle border design. So many circle border design are super hit, and this one is among them. So you can recreate this unique border design for your projects. See this lovely this looks, and this is with the sketch pen colors. This one is also a circle border design. See this floral and leaf pattern all over it, and it is easy to make. You can recreate it easily. See how lovely this looks. One side flower pattern and this circle. So try to create it. This one I have made with pencil colors and sketch pen I have used here. I just love, if I want to do a shading, I always use pencil color, and I use you always ask which color do you use. So I'll tell you, I use this Faber-Castell 18 bicolor pencils. This is my favorite pencils for shading. I normally use this one only, so buy it and take it. These are really very reasonable also. This is for 220 rupees and I got for 210. In any shop you can get so much discount. So buy this Faber-Castell 18 bicolor pencils. So this is also a very beautiful and elegant pattern. This one again I have made with this same pencil color, and this pattern everyone loved it so much. Thank you for that love. So you can write your details here. So this is again a super hit border on Arty and Crafty. Everyone just loved this, and this was my first circle design on YT. No one has come with such a beautiful idea. So this is it. This is so lovely, and for this I have used a brush pen. You can use any sketch pen or anything, whatever you have. Just be creative and create this beautiful pattern. This is again a very beautiful design, and this is a light shade design if you want to go for elegant design. So everyone also asks me which sketch pen do you use normally. I use this Faber-Castell connector sketch pens. I just love this sketch pens, and it is easy to make it. It does not blot, so I just love it, and it is reasonable also. For 99 rupees we get around 24 pens, I guess. So yes, this is it. This one is also super hit border on Arty and Crafty. This is with just 2 sketch pens I have made this beautiful pattern. So it's your creativity how you create and decorate your page, and this one is also a last minute idea. This one is my favorite, and this is also super easy to make with the watercolors I have played here. I just love watercolors also, and I have used your pencil color and watercolor combination. So try to create this. This one again is a rose pattern, a very easy and last minute decoration idea for your project. So you can write your details here, and this is a rose, very simple rose pattern which I have shown. So create it. This one again is very super easy, elegant, simple border design for your project. See this. This one is with a sketch pen, and this is a pencil shading. That's it which I have done here. So it is easy and last minute idea. This is a new border design which I have recently shared on my channel. If you have not checked this video, please do check it out. This is so beautiful and elegant. It is little bit time consuming, but I know you can watch the video and recreate it easily. So my dear friends, I have shown you 25 beautiful floral border design that you can recreate it easily by watching my tutorial. So please do comment me. I know it is difficult, but comment me which one is your favorite. And see, this is the hit video which I already told you in the video, during the video. So comment me how do you find this video, and check this tutorial also. I'll share the playlist link also in the I section and in the description. Check out my border design playlist for more beautiful and unique pattern designs for your projects and assignment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell. Till then, happy arty and crafty. Thank you.